Hey everybody, we're here at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Perfect Day at Coco Cay. The debate is out. We got our Coco Locos and they are fantastic. We're sitting here watching the kids. Flip you around. Here's what we see right now. They're having a blast. We're enjoying watching them. We're gonna head over to the wave pool in a couple minutes, and then we promised Katie some water slides. So although she can't go on everything here, she can go on some. And you better believe that we're not leaving here without her getting on a water slide. So, still having a great time. Everybody here is having a perfect day. So, we will keep you updated. We will keep you posted. We've already filmed some more stuff to show you guys when we get home and we edit. But like, subscribe, stay tuned, ask your questions. We are reading comments even though we haven't gotten a chance to answer any of them yet. We promise you we've seen them all. Thanks for following. Thanks for checking us out, and let us know what you want to see. See you on the seas.